Welcome back to another edition of Vegan Food Porn Stars. Here we are back downtown Vancouver, just days before our trip to LA, and now I find myself in the sea of people, and I've found this rooftop sanctuary. It's actually the lock where it's underneath us. But here we are in this beautiful sanctuary, and it has me thinking about some yummy food, of course. One thing I do want to talk about, and that is sharks. I love sharks so much. Since I was a child, I have loved sharks. And there's a problem in the world, and that is shark fin soup. Now, never had it, never seen it, never will try it, but it's caused a big problem in this world. And that's another reason why I feel good about being vegan, is that I don't harm any animals or put pressure on any industry to harm animals for my diet. It's just my own personal thing. You're all free to do as you please. Chef PBJ does not preach. But I do really love sharks. I love to dive with sharks. I went on an amazing great white shark dive in Guadalupe Island a few years ago. Got to dive with out of the cage, and never felt any at any time felt any threatened other than just awe of these beautiful creatures. I'm gonna go head out downtown. It's sunny, but there's a show called Shark Water Extinction. It's just starting right now, and it's the very first playing. It's the premiere, and I'm gonna go hit it up because I've been waiting for this show. And as many of you know, the director died. And so it's a really special show, and hopefully I'm just happy that it's in theaters to get this recognition. And then we'll hit some yummy vegan food porn, I assure you. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's been a while, but I'm really feeling like a veggie dog. And my first episode, I did a veggie dog. So I think it's like 25, 26, I don't know how many this is now, but across the street, there's a Mr. Veggie tube steak stand, and I've never gone there, okay? And there's actually a third guy right close to him, and I've never gone there for a veggie dog. I've only had one at the first lady there. So I'm gonna go check him out, and he's always super cool, super friendly. I'll give him that much more. And yeah, man, we're gonna go check out Shark Water. Gonna hit up Veggie, DAWGGZ. You know what I'm saying? I'm just craving one. When you're craving one and you're so close, but yet so far, let's go hit this show. Let's go learn something. I do hope you check it out. Most definitely, thank you for supporting them sharks.
Good on, Billy. Here, use your boat, baby. Bella. You don't like it when people kill sharks, right? You don't like people killing sharks? I know, me neither. That soup is awful. You wouldn't eat that soup, would you? I know, neither would I. Looks like ocean waves as we descend into the shark waters. Sometimes even in the calm water. Here we are at Scotia Theatre, downtown. We're gonna go shark water.
Okay. I'm pretty much a kid, but we will go for 12. No, even though I am. Just can't find it. Yeah, not bad. Let's go next. Check out. Cool. First show, first day. Just a little bit late. That's the vlogger's life. Well, that was pretty intense. So, get some fresh air and collect the thoughts, eh? Find myself back across the street. This beautiful rooftop garden. This crazy cool contraption of art. Very nice. Kind of smells like Peter. Dun 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 diddling diddling. Veggie dog feeding frenzy. T-minus 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I can't hold off. So hungry. Gonna have to rip on a Veggie dog. The competition across the street. See who's got a better dog here. They're right here. Corner of Georgia and Granville. Mr. Veggie Tube Steak Stand. We got these way nicer buns. Call them gluten-free. Whoa, shit. Bun.
Hey. Hey, George. Good man. Good. Everything's all set up? Let's go get the machine.
Crispy, some grilled onions on there. It's gonna be a thing of beauty. Oh yeah, man.
There it is, right? The onions on the bottom. But we're just gonna get in here. I gotta log it in.
Yeah, buddy. No, that's a Veggie dog. Alright, let's get some ketchup on there.
Yeah, whoever wins it can make the playoff and lose themselves. How do you drink?
No, gotta get that mustard going on.
And you guys are waiting for what? I got him. One small cheddar smoking
For sure,
and then one Bavarian. Okay.
Best thing in life. What's on there? Onion action going on here.
Okay. How do you drink? No.
Oh yeah. Sauerkraut. Try to have some sauerkraut.
Topper. Thanks, bro. Thank you, man.
Put that on there.
It's better.
Let's call that a dog. Oh yeah, baby. That's what you call some Veggie dog action. Found a new favorite here in Van. This dude. Sure to take the extra 5 minutes. Get that bad boy nice and crispy. Crazy. Now was from the original video. Not saying it was bad, but these guys have these amazing buns made in Chinatown, and their veggie dogs are like way longer, so they got some other wicked veggie dog action going on. Not bad. Very, very good. Chef PBJ say veggie dog a day keeps the doctor away. Ah, here looks like a nice little spot to chill. Let's talk about this movie here. It's never easy to see the truth. And as most people know, I try to keep this show more to the comedy and the food and the adventure. But sometimes you just have to face fact and look at reality and what's really going on, and with the billion issues that are at hand, sometimes it's just you gotta support something. So, you know, here we are, and I'm asking all my, obviously most of the people that are watching this are probably vegan and we don't have to worry, but make sure your cosmetics and certain pet foods and whatnot, after you watch the show, just make sure that they don't contain any shark products, which seem to end up in a lot of places. We actually switched our puppy to a vegan diet. Been very, very happy with that, and he's amazing, and he poops amazing. So he's an amazing guy, and he's doing very well on his diet. I'm asking to please help the shark conservation. Go to Shark Water. Everything you need to know. Here we have the Shark Water official page. You can donate now. Or we can help save sharks. Join Team Shark Water. About Rob Stewart and all the amazing work he's done as a fellow Canadian, it inspires me even more. So anyways, everybody has a chance to be a hero. Be a hero. And just remember, I thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my shark-free veggie dog. Just like feeding frenzy going on with that little bad boy. Yeah, no sharks for me. Just love them. Don't hate them. Just remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and love you all.